This video is really going to focus on that final product type, built products. Built products are used in Ecomdash if you manufacture or build your own items. For example, if you're building a necklace, you would create the built product within Ecomdash, so then you can add each raw material that it takes to make the product. We've created the SKU 73485 for a blue necklace. Clicking through to see more details, to create this blue necklace you need 50 glass beads, 1 necklace chain, and 5 pendants. Each of these raw materials have been created as their own individual SKU with their own available quantities. When an order comes in for a built product, a work order is created. This work order can be found within the restock section. You can view all of your open work orders, your new ones submitted, partially completed, canceled, and all completed. This is a great screen just to see what's out there. Currently, we have a work order here for a blue necklace. Once this work order is completed, the quantity on hand for the raw materials will be reduced, and the quantity on hand for the finished product will be increased. Now let's create a built product. Start in the inventory management screen. On the left-hand side, click the blue drop-down that says Add New and choose Built Product. From there, you want to enter the various information for your built product. Product name, SKU, reorder level, target inventory level, and so on. Once you've added all of your information, click Next. This is the page that you can add all the various settings for the suppliers, manufacturers, and so on. The key thing here is we want to add all the various raw materials that make up the final finished product. For this green necklace, you need the beads, you need the necklace string, and we need pendants. Now that I've added all the various raw materials, I need to set the specific quantity that's required to build this necklace. Once you've entered the quantity, save. Now Ecomdash will auto-calculate the quantity the built product requires. And that's it. Built products are a great option for sellers who work with necklaces, bicycles, and any other type of raw materials.